What's up, YouTube? Today I be showing y'all how to clean y'all 6 hour P320. We're gonna be cleaning our P320 6 hour. Alright. First thing we do is we make sure that it's empty. And we check the chamber. You can see, make sure there ain't nothing in there. Alright. So on the C320, what I like about it, it got this lever where it make it, easy to break it down. So I lock the slab back, slide the lever down, release the slab slowly. Alright, now I take out the guts. So I release the spring, I release the barrel, set these aside. Release that. This right here is actually the gun. My gun really ain't that dirty. I ain't really fired it, but no, just want to show you how to clean it. Okay, what I'll be using, something very inexpensive, some Remington rim oil. I like it. It's been getting the job done so far. No complaints. What I got here? Got us a gun cleaning kit. The basics. Got your little cotton swabs. Got your bristle brushes, your rods, your extensions, your whatnots. But how I like to start off, I like to soak. So I soak them. Soak inside the barrel. Soak him. Soak him. Soak him. I give me a good spray on the slab. Bow, 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 bow. Alright. Let this soak. I like to get my cleaning patches. I give me a little spray on it. Bow, bow. Okay. Next, we'll find the right rod for the barrel that you are cleaning, which I am cleaning a 9mm. We put the adapter on the tip. Make sure that's on there good and snuggly. To the attachment to the rod. Give us a little more extension. We take our cleaning patch and we'll run it through the rod. Alright. Next thing we want to do is pick our barrel up. We'll take the rod and run it through the barrel. I like to do a complete sweep all the way through. See, like I said, it wasn't that dirty. Cause I had like recently cleaned it, but anyway. I run it through a couple times until I don't see anything on the cleaning pad. This right here is a, this is very inexpensive as well. This is a dental toothbrush. I chose the dental toothbrush, simple reason being because of the, this head on it. Kind of like getting them hard to clean spots. So I just take my brush, kind of like hit it up like this, all behind the trigger. That was pretty dirty. Same thing with the spring. Just run the brush along the springs, kind of like cleaning, cleaning debris. Same thing with the slab. After that, I like to go over with another spray. Same spray, but spraying it again. Like so. Alright. Then I give me an old t-shirt. Old t-shirt. And kind of just wipe it down a little bit. To kind of like get all that excess oil up. Now what I do, I don't wipe like the oil off completely. You know, until it's like bone dry. I don't do that. I don't do that. I let a little oil still kind of like linger behind. So I just damp it off a little bit. Still keep that moistness on there. Same thing with the inside of the slide. Cause see, you don't want to leave like too much oil left onto the firearm pieces or whatnot. Because if you have it stored or if you carrying it, you don't have to worry about oil leaking from the firearm. So you just damp it off, blot it off a little bit. Blot it off. But with my slab, the outside slab, most definitely, I like him. I try to get like all the oil off it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just polishing it up. Polishing it up. That's all I'm doing right there. Polishing him up. Alright. But now with the module. So here's the handgun module. You really don't have to really do too much to it. You know, if you got like some dust or, some debris or whatnot, you probably just, give it a good sweep through. Bow, 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 bow.
Hey, I know some young niggas like to swing.
Use this level. Alright, we're back in motion. Alright, then I like I said, get the excess oil off the firearm. If you like this video, leave a comment in the box below. If you like the video, thumbs it up, subscribe, and until next time.